Okay folks, welcome to Family Friendly Bushcraft. Before the video gets going, we'll just take a quick pause for a minute while you hit like, subscribe, write any comments you want, ask for any content you want. Cheers. Yeah, it's a plane, mate. Yeah, just because you're doing bushy things doesn't mean you can't have decent quality, decent bit of filter coffee. Now the Swedish fire log is more than capable of being a cooking place on its own. In this case we've got the coffee pot Dixie on the top. There we go, look at that, perfect. That'll just sit there, boil away quite happily until we're ready for a brew. Drop the grounds. I don't know who invented this technique, but I never thought it worked. It actually really does. Using gravity and a bit of a turn, drops the coffee grounds down to the bottom of the water so you can get a decent brew. No. Should be enough. Perfect.